Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special one, and I know I say that all the time, but it really is. I'm so excited. Okay, so first off, if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, this one, then you would know that I got a pair of Fendi boots for Christmas. Those did not work out for me. Steven ordered what was supposed to be a size 7, and it was still like half a size too big, so we took them back with intentions of just doing like a clean exchange and just going up half size. They did not have a half size up, but they did have a full size, or not up, I'm sorry, down. They had a full size down, but not a half size down. So I ended up, instead of exchanging them for a different size, I just got a whole new different pair of shoes. To be honest, for, you know, what I was wanting for Christmas, I was between two pair of boots, and it was the Fendi and another pair. And so I did end up just going with the other pair. And they're, dropping stuff already. They are from the Jimmy Choo Timberland collab. So exciting. Anyways, so I'm gonna stop rambling right now. But first off, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Krystal. I put out 2 videos. That's 4. I put out 2 videos a week. Right now the schedule is Tuesdays and Fridays. It's a lifestyle channel. We talk about fashion, beauty, luxury, style, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you are interested in any of that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into this video. Now, this was ordered from Nordstrom. So was the Fendi boots. And actually, I wasn't sure if Nordstrom would have these since it was a collab. But here we go. Okay, so the box opens. Well, hang on. It's like a drawer. Okay, first off, black and pink is my jam. So right off, I was super excited. This is what it looks like when you first open it. It comes with the, this little card thing. I guess it kind of talks about the collab in there. I got a keychain that has Timberland and Jimmy Choo symbol on the back. We have 2 dust bags. I love this. This is so cool. Okay, we have 2 dust bags. The wrapping is like this, and I've already opened them just because I'm a child and I could not wait. I have not tried them on, and I did not open them fully, so we're gonna do that together. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so here is one, and here we go. So here they are together. They do have slight differences, which was part of the whole collab. And I was just thinking, before I take this off, I need to do a TikTok. So I'm gonna pause right here and do that, and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. Sorry if the camera's kind of wonky. I did have to rearrange a little bit of stuff. Okay, so let me get, can we set this up here? Is that gonna work? Can you, yep, cool. All right, let's move the flowers over just a little. Cute, okay. So here they are without the little things on them. They look like your standard work boot. Is what I used to call them. But look at the crystals. Oh my gosh, okay. So this one is the Timberland one. Right here. And then this one says Jimmy Choo. Oh, look at the sparkle and shine. Oh my gosh, okay. Around the little loop, whatever these, I don't even know what these are called. These are all crystallized. Awesome. Okay, so the one that says Jimmy Choo on it has the little Timberland logo. And then the one that says Timberland has the JC, which is Jimmy Choo's logo. So cute. They're they're kind of chunky, but not really. Like, it's not like massive chunk, and I think that's why I liked them so much. I really, really like the pink ones, but for some reason, like this is a 6-inch shaft. That's what they call this part of the boot. It was a 6-inch, and the pink one's so pretty. I'll insert a picture if I can find one. I'm sure I can. The pink ones were like 8-inch, and they come up really high, and I was like, for this style of boot, I didn't really like it. If they had the regular standard 6-inch shaft, I would have probably gotten the pink one just because they were like so cool. And then they also had a pair of like high heel pointy toe, but they were like all crystals. They were just beautiful. But those I think were like double the price, and probably because they were all crystallized. And then the heel height. Y'all know I'm a flat-footed girl. So yeah, but I'm so excited about these boots. I have not tried them on. We're gonna do that together, and I'm gonna see how I can style these guys up. So exciting. Okay, so let's just style them up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was just putting these on. Look, this is the end of the lace. How freaking cool is that? Okay. Okay, you can't see my head. Okay, so this is just for styling purposes to show you what they will look like with wide leg pants. And they're not even wide leg, they're more of a flare, and it's not even a huge flare, it's just a small flare. But this is what they look like. Oh, I'm stepping on stuff. Can you see that? Ah! Okay, so probably and FYI, this is what I had to put on to wear to church, but then I ended up not going to church today because I had a delivery. Anyways, I'm getting off track. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what they look like with this. I don't even know if you can see that very well. Ah, I'm falling. Okay. I'm going to take you off of here and go in the mirror, so excuse all the mess around me, please. Okay, here we go. This is what they look like with wide leg or what are these called? Flare. The flare leg, they're super comfortable. They are true to size. I'm a 7, and these are a 7 as well. Let's see. Okay, so I probably would not wear these with wide leg pants or flares unless I was just needing something kind of basic, because they really just look kind of plain, like this. And the I don't know what that material is, but I would assume it wouldn't be good to get wet, I'm assuming. So let me go see what else I can find and change this whole vibe, because I was actually kind of planning on wearing them either with shorts or like skinny jeans. So yeah, let me go see. Okay, so here they are with a pair of faux leather shorts and a skin colored bodysuit. I think they are so cute. Okay, so I normally would wear this in like, you know, spring, summer, and then we're in Florida this year, so it's gonna be warm. Like today, I think the high is like 80. So anyway, so I would normally wear this with my biker boots, and these kind of have the same vibe as a biker boot, only a little more casual. But then from the back, boom, boom. Who is she? What? Yes, okay. So this is with the faux leather shorts. Let's try them on with like some leggings or, what are those pants called? Skinny jeans. Let's go try them on with some of those. Okay, here's another outfit they're kind of skinny jeans, but they're not like super skinny. So they're kind of like the modern skinny, I think is what they call them. But here they are with this. I got this top a few months back from Shein, and I'm pretty sure these pants are from Lulu's. But yeah, so here we go. I don't know, it's kind of giving mom going to PTA in the front and party in the back. Like that's it right there. That is, that's the whole focal point right there. Okay, so we got a plain Jane outfit. Boom, turn around, there it is. And here is the last look that I'm gonna put together for you today. And I went with a black on black outfit. Yes, okay, this top is, falls right into the naked trend. It's completely sheer, come from Topshop, I think. Cargo street style, sorry my mirror is dirty, street style skirt from Amazon. And then boom, there they are. I actually went ahead and brought my clutch just to give you like an like, look, hang on. I promise I'm not trying to show you all my behind, but I mean, that's just where the fun is, in the back. The party's in the back, that's it. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this crazy unboxing style video. If you're new here, you know what to do. I'll see you guys later. Bye.